To factory reset POCO M8, start by opening the settings and open About Phone. When you are here, just scroll below and go to the factory reset. Now there's the information that we are gonna delete just everything from our smartphone. So before you start this, I can recommend you to perform a backup of your data and remove, for example, the memory card and SIM cards from your phone. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is just to click to erase all data. You have to input your screen log. Now there's this information about the backup, but you can click to perform a factory reset. And here, as you can see, this base information. So if you're sure that you want to do this, you will have to click on this next button after the 10 seconds. And now there's the another one. After you click OK, the phone will turn off and the reset will be start. I mean, the reset process will start. So it will take around few minutes. It actually depends of how much data you have on your phone.